Hey, how's it going, YouTube? So you saw in my previous video, I had this clear case and I put this one on mine. So far, I'm liking it. I don't have any issues with it yet. I've been a little lazy. I haven't really found another use for this ring, so I kind of kept it on. But then you see it makes a lot of noise. And I'm probably readjust this to put the tracker a little bit closer to this or somehow just to get out of the way. I don't really need two dangling things. I don't really know if I'm going to keep the carabiner on this just because I don't really use it. Most of the time it just goes into my pocket. But the reason why I'm making another video is because we have another case in here. So you saw that I have two previous cases. I have a black one which I put on my wife's AirPod Pro. I have this blue one which I do like. But I just want to test this clear one for a while just to kind of see how it goes. I haven't dropped it yet, so I can't say how it is for drop protection. But overall, it's been in my pockets for the last couple days, and I don't really see scratches. I did try to take this off and clean it a little bit, but the lint did come back, and you can kind of see some of the lint is in there. It's not annoying or anything, but you know, it's there, but it's okay. And again, the lid still stays on. It's easy to manipulate. And I'm sure most of y'all know this, but the easiest way to take the AirPods Pro out of the case is just push it forward. Oh, there you go. Push it forward and it'll just kind of do a little tilt and pivot. Ooh. But as you can see, two-handed is really fast too. And you just pull it out. Trick I saw off another video, so I'm just off another YouTuber, so I'm just sharing, passing that tip along. But what you're here for is this new one. So this one is from Ruoqini. It's just another silicone protective case. And do I have to rip it? Okay, no, I don't. So I know a lot of them, they always give out this black carabiner, which doesn't really match stuff unless you got a black case. So I don't have the one of the original black cases I got for because my wife is using her AirPods right now. But so this one, as you can see, the silicone here on the right is a lot thicker. I would say almost twice, about 30-40% thicker. So that's kind of a cool, good thing, right? Extra protection. And you can see where they're kind of holds the top to the bottom. The new one is a lot thicker and almost reinforced on the sides even. Versus this one is kind of thin and a little bit on the flimsier side. Here, just hold it like that. Can you see like that? And then of course the bottom is almost the same, but yeah, you could tell this one's a lot thicker. So that's a kind of a cool bonus. Oh, so this one also has the flat bottom. It's not pronounced as the other one. I wish I should have grabbed my wife's AirPod just so I could compare this one with the black one. But this one actually looks pretty nice. So let's go ahead and put it in. So to take this one off, you slide it. And then you just slide this one out too. There you go. That was easy. And then for this one, slide it back in. And as you see, this one's cut out. It's more of a cutout, and it's not really a kind of like a relief cut, but it's just a straight cutout. So let me just readjust this so I can put this on the best as I can for this video here. So you just kind of put it from the top down. Okay, decent first try. So again, like I said, this is just a straight cutout. It's not a relief cutout, but you know, it gives you enough finger groove to just kind of yank it open. That's not too bad. And the top goes on pretty snugly. Okay, so let's see the back. Here's the silicone. Yeah, it doesn't really interfere. It does kind of prevent it from opening all the way, but it's not. I wouldn't say it's an issue. No, I'm wrong. See, it sits nice and flush. And here's the bottom. You could snug that little lightning port protector. So again, this one does not have a relief cut for the LED light. I do feel they did kind of maybe a relief cut from the back. Let's go ahead and take this out and take a look. See, so here's the light. And okay, so they did do a relief cut, so you should be able to kind of see it. I don't see it though. Maybe did I not angle it right? Let's try again. Okay, so let's tap. No. Okay. Yeah, you can see it. I mean, if it's in the dark, you'll be able to see it. But in bright daylight, you won't see it. See? You see it? The green? In this lighting, you can barely faintly see it. It is possible to see it. Right? But to me, it's not too much of a big deal. I don't think it should be a big deal to you either. The whole point is that it works. Here, I'll even test it for you since this one seems a little thicker. Yeah, you can see like a faint red light in there. Here, maybe like that. Can you see it? A faint red light. There you go. I think you can kind of see it. But as you can see, it does charge. Everything works fine. This case feels a little thicker, which I do like. I don't mind having a little thicker case. I mean, in your pocket, you barely notice the difference, but just you could tell the quality of it just feels a lot better. I mean, you can already see it's already kind of picking up lint, and I don't know what this is. A flake from cardboard. So, you know, but that's just part of the game. It's just, you know, silicone, this type of silicone will just pick up lint. But the whole point is drop protection and just, you know, it's not scratching up your AirPods. It's not a big deal. The clip is okay. This is a typical cheapo clip, nothing too fancy. Yeah, I mean, it's just a typical clip. But for right now, I don't know. I think I might just kind of keep this on for now. And this one will already go back into storage, I think. We shall see. But I'll probably put, for sure, if I do, I'll put this clip carabiner onto this one. This black one just doesn't match. It just doesn't feel right. So this silver one will go a lot better. I don't know. What do you think? Silicone or clear plastic? What would be the choice for you? Which one would you pick? See? Easy, breezy. I'm thinking I'm still going to lean towards this one just for now. But I do like the way the silicone is. I just don't like it that pickups lint. And I mean, obviously this can pick up lint on the inside. And I just have to kind of open up and clean it. But yeah, so here's the new case. And you can tell it's a lot thicker. Again, this is a branded called Ruoqini. Ruoqini. But I'll leave a link in the description. It'll be affiliate link in the description, which it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help the channel. I mean, I will get maybe a penny or so from y'all if y'all order it through my link from Amazon. It's not a big deal. You could just Google search, Amazon search yourself, buy whatever you prefer. I don't, it doesn't matter to me. But if you like it, here, let's just give you another close look here. I'll probably pick up a couple more different type of cases whenever I see them. When they come out, I'll try to pick up some more cases and give more reviews. But, leave a comment below if you want a more in-depth view of anything, a description, follow-up. Just let me know which one, all of them, compare, compete, case for case. Let me know. But, yeah, I do like this one. It just feels... Let me know. I should probably YouTube video this, but maybe there's some way you could maybe wax this silicone and maybe it'll prevent it from being such a lint magnet. Maybe that's a possibility. I'll probably search after this video, but I'll let you know. But yeah, just leave a comment below if you want to see a more close look of which ones and comparing which ones. Okay, so make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. All right, and I'll see you on the next one.